So here we have this YITAHOME 5-tier bookshelf. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then give you my initial impression. These boards are actually packaged super well. They all have these rubber corner protectors on them and foam in between them. And that's great because it just shows how much they care about their product. There's everything that came with it, and it looks like it's going to be a much simpler build than I originally thought. Anyway, let's get started. First, I had to connect the top to the bottom, and that just took a couple brackets and these screws. Then I screwed in the leveling feet and did the same to the other side. Next, I started putting on the shelf boards, and these were actually really simple to put on. They just had 4 screws on the bottom of each one. Right now, it's pretty wobbly, but let's go ahead and put this cross brace on. It's just put together with a bolt and a nut. And then I fastened it to the frame with some more nuts and bolts. And the last step here is to scrape off all these pesky stickers. This one left a bunch of sticky residue behind, so I just used some rubbing alcohol and cleaned it off. That seemed to do the trick. And there we go, it's all finished. And straight off the bat, I really like the look of this. It goes great with my black brick wall and just has a really nice industrial look to it. Anyway, it does have a little bit of wiggle to it, but the cross brace in the back definitely helps balance it out. You could also make it even more solid if you wanted to use these little tethers here to attach it to the wall. The total shelf width is about 47 inches, and then the depth is almost 11 inches. So overall, I'm really happy with this shelf. But there is one thing that'd make it better, and that's if they didn't use this bracket here, and instead they connected it in a way that was a bit more seamless, like maybe the top slides into the bottom. It is a pretty small detail, but I still think it would have made it look just that much better.